Got this microscope camera from Lapsun, from the eBay seller Lapsun_gift. The microscope camera itself I'm happy with, but there are two issues I do have. The ring light you've got to have going off at an angle, otherwise the power cord that goes into the back gets stuck into the mechanism as the microscope camera goes up and down. There's no other way of having this unless you've got it coming out at you, which is even worse. So now you have to reach around to turn it on and then fiddle about with this side, and obviously if you have it on that side you've got to reach around to turn it on. It just seems very awkward to use. It should be more flush, a lot better, but that isn't the worst problem with the camera. If I turn the camera on, the default mode on the screen comes up with, when it's ready, horizontal and vertical grids, which I don't want, and I'm having a nightmare getting them off, in the sense of, if I go onto the remote, press menu, now that actually clicked twice, which means the whole thing now is frozen up. I can't do a thing with it. So what I have to do then is unplug the camera, reset it, I say camera, microscope camera, turn it back on. Again, the default will come up with grids. If I hit menu again, that actually is the right option to go into to set the line. If I click OK, I don't mind having the crosshairs on. Now it's not actually doing anything. There, right, okay, it's on now. If I go down one, turn that off, which it was already off. Lines off. Now that's got rid of all the lines. Now this is the problem I have. I can't get out of this menu. If I click OK, it does absolutely nothing. If I press menu, again, it does absolutely nothing. So all I have to do in order to get the screen back without any menus on is wait about 5 minutes for it to actually turn itself off and go back into the screen mode. I can't even press mode. I can't press anything. It just will not come out of this menu system. I've been in touch with the seller, Lapsun_gift. They said they'd get back to me. Weeks after the purchase, I'm still waiting. When you're having to do repairs on a regular basis, to go through this process is an absolute nightmare. And unless they can fix this, then this might be a major bugbear if you're considering purchasing this microscope camera. Might be advisable to look for something else. Additionally, the customer service from this particular seller, it had been good, but I'm just not getting any answers back in regards to this immediate problem.